Welcome back to MedBites. We're going to talk about the adenocarcinoma sequence. This is a very high yield concept to know, and it's frequently tested, and it's also an important concept to know for practice. At the end, we're going to go over a question and try and answer it, and let's get to it. So the adenocarcinoma sequence is the step at which normal colonic epithelium turns into an adenoma and then a carcinoma. So essentially how colonic cancer is formed. It's important for you guys to know the exact genes involved and the steps at which those genes get mutated. So the exact order is very important. The first gene involved is the APC gene. This is a tumor suppressor gene. This is what's hit first, and it initiates adenoma formation. It's what increases the risk of formation of polyps. If the gene mutation is germline, normally it's sporadic, but if it's germline, then it's going to result in a condition called FAP, familial adenomatous polyposis. It's an autosomal dominant mutation of APC gene, and it involves it results in formation of thousands of polyps after puberty, and we must conduct a prophylactic colectomy, otherwise there will 100% be colorectal carcinoma. The next gene mutation is KRAS. This is the oncogene, and the mutation promotes adenoma growth. The last gene is the P53 gene. It's an important gene, and it's frequently tested in many concepts, not just this one. This is the tumor suppressor also, and it occurs late, and this is what causes the transition to a carcinoma. So a quick way to remember the order in which it's involved is saying all kids play. So that's a cool mnemonic that you could use. I don't really like this mnemonic. I just prefer to go alphabetical. So APC, KRAS, P53. Done. So let's go over a question real quick. A 60-year-old woman undergoes colonoscopy for routine screening. She has no symptoms. Several polyps are found in the colon. There's a 0.8 centimeter tubular adenoma in the ascending colon, a 1.5 centimeter villus adenoma in the transverse colon, and a 2.5 centimeter polyp in the sigmoid colon. So what do we know yet? We know that this is talking about the adenocarcinoma sequence. Why? Because it's talking about polyps in the colon. Now, it doesn't tell us exactly which mutation it's asking for, because it's giving us a 0.8 centimeter, which is early mutation, 1.5 centimeter, which is intermediate, and 2.5 centimeter, which is a late mutation. Let's see. Genetic analysis of the sigmoid lesion reveals a loss of function or mutation in a tumor suppressor gene that is typically altered late in the colorectal carcinogenesis. Which gene is involved? So as we said early is APC, then intermediate there's the KRAS mutation, and then late into the mutation there's the P53. So this is talking about the late mutation. So that's going to be P53.